Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the security. Then let's go to the fingerprint manager, and before we'll be able to set the fingerprint we have to add the screen lock. Of course, if you've got one, it will be just transferred to another step. So let me pick the pattern, let me quickly draw it, redraw it and confirm. And here we have to decide what kind of notification content you'd like to show. It's up to you, just mark the option and tap on next. Right here we've got the information about the fingerprint, so just tap on I agree, and the instructions. What we have to do, we have to hold our device normally, so obviously this is not the normal position of the device. Usually you will just hold it like here, so you will preferably add your thumb. Of course you can add another one, it's completely up to you. Then let's tap on next. And now all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button right here on our device. So let me do it. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Okay, I have to hold it so I can move my finger more freely. Okay, we just successfully added the fingerprint. That was quite easy, fortunately. So let's tap on done. And this is the fingerprint manager. We do not have a lot of things here to customize. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it or add another fingerprint. It's up to you. So now let's lock the device and check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.